This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from your SIM over to your Android phone. So we can just go on down to the phone option right here, and maybe in the top left you have some sort of option, or in the top right here. On my Samsung phone I can just go on down to contact settings right here, and I can just go to import contacts and select this. Now you should be able to import it from your SIM if you have any kind of contacts saved to it. So it should say SIM in here. Mine just says phone because I don't have my SIM in here. But I do have an export file of my contacts I can just select. And then I can bring this to a different location. I can bring it to my phone. You can store it in the internal storage, or you can bring it to your Samsung account or Google account right there. So just look at that as an option. And then we have our default storage location. Now, another thing I can show you is if we back out, we can go to the top right again, and we can go to View by Storage Location. Go to More Storage Locations, and you should be able to see your SIM under here. Now, you don't even need to transfer it to a different account. You could just select your SIM card, and it should show you all the contacts on here. And you can just use that. And you don't have to transfer it to a Google account or anything like that. You can just use your SIM's contacts there. But look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.